Hello, my name is Martina and I'm from Bulgaria. I study sports management at Wrexham Glyndwr University. Before I came to Wrexham Glyndwr University, I've been playing volleyball for 9 years in Bulgaria, and I was really interested in sports studies, and I found out that Wrexham Glyndwr University can offer me all the opportunities that are going to be relevant for me in the future. My lecturers and program leader could always help me. When I needed help, they can always guide me and make sure that I'm on the right path, and they would always go out of their way to make sure I'm doing right. On my course, I've enjoyed business studies that can always relate to sports. Lecturers always give me the chance to relate the business in my sports area. After I graduate, I hope to go into sports management or work in a sports agency where I can help teams, athletes or sports businesses to be successful. Wrexham Glyndwr University, I would say that this is a great place to achieve all of your goals and to become part of something that is going to be really successful in the future and really help you be a better you.